See it? You see the Mickey Mouse?
Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse on it.
Let's remount this fucking car, man.
Bro, I told you let's remount it, bro. Enjoy it, man. Enjoy it. There she go, man. The new, what's it called?
Fuel filter.
Yeah, oil filter. You want to pre-fill it because...
Fuel filter.
Yeah, fuel filter.
Come on, man.
You want to pre-fill it.
Brian.
Brian, what?
Ask Brian.
I need a small funnel.
The viewers know what I'm talking about when I say ask Brian anyway, so it's alright.
Ask Brian.
Yeah, turn around, bitch. See Brian, yeah.
Brian.
Brian.
Oh, right. Yeah, you crazy as hell.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the video. So today we're going to change on the Jobber's oil filter. Wait, fuel filter.
Fuel filter, bro.
Fuel filter. So all you're going to need is a flat, some pliers and a screwdriver. Right. All you want to do first is take this off, okay? And just pull it off just like that. It's like a Mickey Mouse clip. See it? You see the Mickey Mouse clip?
It's a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse on it. Right, actually, don't want to put it there, it'll fall through. Pop it there for now, right?
Fucking hell, I almost bounced away in the gutter, bro.
Oh, no. Then, you just want to slide this off. Up like that. There we go, man. And there's all your diesel in there. Then, what you want to do is take this off. Oh my god, that's going to be hard, this.
You're a fucking genius, you are.
Yeah, but I don't think it's been... Fuck me.
Nah, easy, bro. Come on. Elbow grease.
Oh. Right, loosen them up. Loosen them up. Okay, now.
That looks so dirty and...
Yeah, bro, I don't think it's been removed in quite some time. Where's that?
That's where you come in.
Yeah.
Where's he going?
They should just slide off. But I think it's been so long. You just need a little push. A helping hand. A helping hand.
It looks like he's got something inside it, like... Oh, where she go?
Ah, diesel.
Diesel, mate. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's the good stuff. Let's remount this fucking car, man.
Bro, I told you let's remount it, bro.
I want a turbo to go there. It's a stock turbo. And the same turbo from factory, bro.
It'll do it, bro.
Do you reckon?
It'll hold it, yeah.
Because I've noticed the power's only like literally for like 2,000 res, bro.
Is it?
Like from like 1,500, like between 1,500 and 1,800 when
Oh shit, I'm taking the wrong one. Did you see that, Jack?
What did you do?
Wait, that. I'm here listening to you. Nah, I just loosened that one. I was supposed to loosen this one.
Darn gummit. Oh my days, this sun is burning my neck.
But what were you saying about the remote?
So basically my car is like between like 1,500 to 1,800 when the turbo kicks in, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I only feel the torque from there to like 3,000 res, but the other like 1,500 to 2,000 res, boy, it just feels so linear. Yeah, it just feels like the car's it probably is going.
Yeah.
It's only 130 brake. It's not like a fucking. You know what I mean, it's not fast anyways. But it just feels like the power runs out so fast. It's like
This should go.
I want more.
Diesel.
I want more.
Diesel's gonna just like pour everywhere. Once they're out, I mean very slippery. Then see the Phillips there. There you go, man. Right there. Fucking hell.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm alright. Get the fuck off. Yeah, see that should be loose now, but this has not been removed. Got some time. Get the fuck.
I'm just zooming in and out. I'm having fun with the zoom.
Enjoy it, man. Enjoy it. There she go, man. So, do you want to see the condition of your diesel? What I need, I'll be right back. There she go, man. Actually, it's not even that bad.
I only filled up tank about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, but when's the last time you changed this? Rusted as fuck. Yeah, diesel's not even that bad. To be honest, we can pre-fill it with the same diesel.
Yes.
I was expecting it well worse than this, but this is all right. Because what you want to do with the new what's it called?
Fuel filter.
Yeah, oil filter. You want to pre-fill it because
Fuel filter.
Yeah, fuel filter.
Come on, man.
You want to
Wake up.
pre-fill it. Right, see this
Oh,
diesel.
that good stuff. Let's
I was
make me
expecting
fucking
it
eggs
to
with
be
that, mate.
darker than this.
Make me eggs with that.
Don't want to waste that diesel. That's the good stuff. She go.
No, increasing my new crepes, man.
Oh shit. Big out. Big out.
Ah, shit.
Alright. Get your new one.
Crossland Joel and the good stuff.
Here's the same one.
Whoa.
Get that off and make sure this is on the right. Otherwise, if it's on the left, yeah, it's just gonna start leaking diesel.
Oh, man.
Know what I mean?
No.
Yeah, it's alright. Right, is it gonna fit nicely in there? Beautiful. Look at that fit. Right in there.
Ooh,
Have.
yeah.
Right now, funnel. Funnel.
Find the funnel. Ask Brian.
Hey,
Ask Brian.
Brian, what?
Ask Brian.
I need a small funnel.
The viewers know what I'm talking about when I say ask Brian anyway, so it's alright.
Ask Brian.
Yeah, turn around, bitch. See Brian, yeah.
Brian.
Brian.
Oh, right. Yeah, you crazy as hell. Right.
Yeah, you stupid.
I need a small. I need a small.
No, you
One
don't.
sec, I'll be right back. We got a small one. We got him, man. We got him.
Oh shit, my uncle's coming, man.
What?
Uncle's coming. Shit,
Your
man.
uncle. This fucking toss it, really. Right, see that? The fat one's not gonna fit, right?
Fit where?
In there. See, I want it to go in there.
Ah.
There you go, man. Right, is this dickhead gonna come here now? Start chatting to us. We'll be back in 1 minute. Yeah, we believe you, bro, but we're trying to... Excuse me. Guys are chatting shit, bro.
Cut out, man. Cut out so he's alright,
Yeah.
listen, though. It's like, we know what the problem is, fix it.
Guys, that do you do body work? I seen the Yaris, bro. I was like, get fucked.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a Yaris, bro.
Unless he wants a job like we've done our one
I see that. It's a bit dirty, that. See that? You only need a bit of it, bro.
Ah, right, so you want to pour it.
So that, yeah, I think the bottom of it had the dirty bits.
Oh, yeah.
So we're not gonna pour that in. Leave that. And there she go, man. We're ready. We're ready for action. Right. And you want to clamp it in place before you start putting the pipes in. What the fuck? That's so big.
I swear you just said it's going in.
Yeah, I know. And this part did
Oh,
work.
never?
I need it wider that.
No, but that's the same.
Hey? No, I think this one here, but see the mark? It's clamped on here, see that?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
With the face.
Oh, you need to loosen
need
that.
opening up.
Alright.
To get wider. Go and get it in there, man.
Oh, she's stubborn.
Fucking piece of wank. There should go about there. What do you think, Jeff? Nice?
Oh, have you done it?
Yeah, it's gone down. Then log it in black. Log it in.
Screw.
He ain't going nowhere. Then put that back in. And then...
So wait, so you lock everything in, so you lock it in place before you put everything in?
Yeah, otherwise it's going to be hard because it'll be moving around.
Ah. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse clip.
What does Mickey Mouse called?
Mickey Mouse. Goes in.
What is it? Oh, they come out.
There we go. See that? See it clicking? Did you see that, John?
Yes.
You gotta give him a good old click there. And then he just goes over. Oh, wait. He goes over that, just like that. There we go. He's locked in. No, that's not gonna come out. You see? Big gap.
Your screen is a white, bro. I can't see nothing from this screen.
No, it's just the glare, bro. On the thing.
And the fingerprints, bro.
Oh.
So they've been wiping his
Mate,
fingers.
that's
in
me, that fuck's right. Fucking wiping his chutney on there and stuff.
Jutting his fingers. There should go.
Come on.
You...
Wait, actually, hold it 1 minute. This guy's in my way. Just move him out of the way. There you go.
Keep turning, keep turning.
Keep going, bastard. Come on. Keep going, you baby bastard. Go, man.
I bet he's gonna go home and be like, they didn't even help me.
Yeah, fucking dickhead. Watch my videos, bitch. Fucking salsa.
No, I don't do body work.
Guys, like, I don't want to pay full price, but then I got a guy there, but so it's fucking evil. Hoping I'm gonna give you a discount.
Try to show off to us the same way. I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a
Don't break my car.
He's in, man. He's in. And I just try moving everything.
It's actually mad, bro, because even before we did all this, bro, see how fast my car started anyways, bro.
Oh, yeah, no.
Preventative maintenance.
Where's your key?
Oh, in my pocket.
Give it. So what you want to do here, you don't want to start the car just yet.
Stig. Oh.
Because my hands are greasy.
Oh, shit, I appreciate that, man. Bro, I need to fix my fucking thing here, my haroons are prick.
So what you want to do, you want to let the fuel go up, right, and then off, okay, then go back down again, and what this is doing is when you put the ignition in, it's pre-filling the fuel filter. Your fuel filter always turns on, right? Yeah. And then one more, 3.
Breathe, man.
Do you have to put some clutch in for
Nope.
this?
Just make sure it's not in the gear.
Look at that, beautiful, mate. Starting like a dime.
Elizabeth. Is that how we're supposed to start?
Yeah.
I love this.
Not fucking TFSI, like it's not that long.
Nah, bro. Muzzle car this, bro.
And it's all, just look around here, no leaks.
No rips or tears.
See you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick. Oh,